Button widgets represent a clickable item in the applications. Typically, you use a text or an image to display the action that will be performed when clicked. To create a button, you can use the TTK button constructor. The container is the parent component on which you place the button. The text is the label of the button. The command specifies a callback function that will be called automatically when the button clicked. Assign a function to the command option to respond to the button click event. The button has demo button as its label, and when the button is clicked, the callback function is executed. The command parameter is used to specify the function that should be called when the button is clicked. The button has exit as its label, and when the button is clicked, the root quit function is executed. The root quit function terminates the TKinter application. The use of Lambda allows the creation of an anonymous function without a name, which is called when the button is clicked. This code creates a simple GUI application using TKinter. The TK class creates the main window, and the geometry method sets its size to 500 by 200 pixels. A button is created using the button class, and its properties such as text, width, height, background color, foreground color, active background color, and active foreground color are set. The pack method adds the button to the main window. The main loop method starts the event loop and runs the GUI application until it is closed by the user. Now we are going to create button. When we click the button, the window will be closed. This code creates a GUI window has a button labeled click me, and when pressed, the window will close and the program will end. The window dimensions are set to 100 by 100. The main loop method is used to keep the window open until the button is pressed. The button text is set to click me. The border size is set to 5, and the command executed when the button is clicked is set to root destroy. This means that when the button is clicked, the destroy method will be called on the root object, effectively closing the GUI window. This code creates a window has two buttons labeled hello and quit. When the hello button is pressed, the function counter_label is called, which outputs the message TKinter is easy to use. When the quit button is pressed, the quit function is called, which closes the GUI window and the program terminates. The hello_ button is created with the text hello and is assigned the function counter_label to be executed when the button is pressed. The button is positioned on the left side of the frame using the pack method and the side option set to TK left. The quit_button is created with the text quit and the text color set to red using the FG option. The quit function is assigned to the button to be executed when it is pressed. The button is also positioned on the left side of the frame using the pack method and the side option set to TK left.